Hello, my name is Jessica Deborati Bevrilia. Today I would like to present for my midterm test project in the classroom management course with the topic about teaching students to cooperate. In this presentation, I will explain the importance of cooperation in the classroom, the teacher roles, strategies to teach cooperation, some classroom example, challenge, solution, and also several problems related to classroom management. Now I will explain this presentation from part 1 until part 2. Introduction. Cooperation is the ability of students to work together, communicate positively, and help each other during the learning process. In the classroom, cooperation is very important because students learn not only from teacher but also from their classmates. Through cooperation, students can share ideas, solve problems together, and build good relationships with others. A cooperative classroom can create a comfortable, active, and positive learning environment. Next, importance of cooperation. The first point, improve communication skills. Cooperation helps students practice speaking, learning, and expressing their ideas clearly during discussion or group activities. The second point, builds teamwork and responsibility. When students work together, they learn how to complete tasks as a team and become responsible for their own roles. And the third point, helps students respect different opinions. Every student may have different ideas. Cooperation teaches students to listen and respect to other opinions. And the fourth point, reduce conflict and misunderstanding. Good cooperation can help students communicate better and avoid unnecessary arguments or misunderstanding. And the fifth point, create active and enjoyable learning. Group activities usually make students more active, interested, and excited during the learning process. And the sixth point, increases student confidence during discussion activities. When students share ideas with friends, they become more confident to speak and participate in class. Students who can cooperate will usually become more active and responsible in the class. Next, teacher's role. The first point, give clear instruction before activities. Teachers should explain the roles, goals, and steps clearly so students understand what they need to do. And the second point, create group discussion and collaborative tasks. Teachers can prepare activities that require students to work together and share ideas with their friends. And the third point, encourage students to respect each other. Teachers should remind students to listen politely and appreciate different opinions during discussion. And the fourth point, become a positive role model. Teachers must show good cooperation, passion, and respectful communication because students often imitate their teachers' behavior. Next, help students solve conflict calmly. If there is a disagreement, teachers should help students solve the problem peacefully and fairly. And the last point, appreciate students who show good teamwork. Teachers can give praise or positive feedback to students who cooperate well to motivate other students. Teachers with good classroom management can guide students to become more cooperative and disciplined. Next, we have strategies to teach cooperation. The first point, group discussion. In group discussion, students share opinions, exchange ideas, and solve problems together. And the second point, pair work activities. Students work with one partner to practice communication and helps each other understand the lesson. Third point, team project. Students complete assignments together and learn how to divide responsibilities fairly. The fourth point, Educational games. Games can make learning more fun while also improving teamwork and cooperation skills. And last point, peer learning. Students who understand the material can help classmates who need support and explanation. These strategies can make learning more interactive and effective. Next, we have example in classroom. In this example, the teacher divides students into small groups to discuss environmental problems. The first point, leader. The leader guides the discussion and makes sure every member participates actively. Note takers. Note takers write important ideas and discussion result from the group. The presenter. The presenter explains the group's discussion result in the front of the class. And timekeeper. The timekeeper manages the discussion time so the activities can finish on the schedule. Through these activities, students learn responsibility, communication, teamwork, and respect for other people's opinions. As a result, students become more active and cooperative during learning activities. Next, we have challenge. The first point, passive students will rarely participate. Some students are shy or afraid to speak, so they do not actively join discussion. The second point, dominant students who control discussion. Sometimes one student talks too much and does not give another member the chance to share ideas. Next, miscommunication between group members. Different opinions or unclear communication can create confusion during teamwork. And next, lack of responsibility during teamwork. Some students may not complete their tasks seriously during group activities. Next, students who prefer work alone. Certain students feel more comfortable work individually instead of cooperating with others. Because of this challenge, teachers need patience, consistency, and good classroom management skills. Next solution, create balanced group. Teachers should combine students with different abilities and personalities in one group. Give equal responsibilities to all members. Every student should have their own task so all members can participate fairly. Next, monitor students during group activities. Teachers should work around the classroom and observe students during discussion. Next, encourage shy students to participate. Teacher can motivate quiet students by asking simple questions or giving support. Next, give positive feedback and motivation. Praise the encouragement can help students feel more confident and motivated. The last point, build a respectful classroom atmosphere. Students should feel safe, comfortable, and respected during classroom activities. When students feel comfortable and appreciated, they are more willing to cooperate with others. And we have conclusion. In the conclusion, teaching students to cooperate is an important part of classroom management. Cooperation helps students improve communication, teamwork, responsibility, and respect for others. Teachers should create activities that encourage collaboration and positive interaction among students. A cooperation classroom creates a better learning experience and more positive classroom environment. Next, I will move to part 2, solving the problem. The problem number 1, Mr. Eleazar repeatedly experienced difficulties during classroom discussion with his junior high school student. Solution for this problem, Mr. Eleazar should improve classroom management during discussion. He can set clear classroom rules before discussion starts, move around the classroom to monitor students, use interesting and interactive activities, call students by name to maintain attention, use eye contact and positive reinforcement, arrange seating position more effectively. These strategies can help students stay focused and participate more positively during class discussion. And next, the problem number 2. Zefano was one of the most provocative and descriptive students in Miss Giandra's class. Solution for this problem, Miss Giandra should handle Zefano calmly and professionally. She should speak to him privately after class. Avoid embracing him in front of classmates. Set a clear consequences for inappropriate behavior. Build positive communication and trust. Give him responsibilities to increase his confidence. Appreciate positive behavior improvements. By using a respectful approach, the teacher can reduce disruptive behavior and improve classroom discipline. And last, we have problem number 3. Miss Yaskela became concerned because students in her class frequently teased each others. Solution for this problem: Miss Yaskela should create a safer and more respectful classroom environment. She can teach students about empathy and respect, create anti-bullying classroom rules, encourage positive communication, use teamwork activities to improve friendship, discuss the importance respecting differences, respond quickly to conflict before they become bigger problem. This action can reduce conflict and help students feel safer and more comfortable in class. So, thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope this presentation helped us understand the importance of cooperation and good classroom management in creating an effective learning environment. Thank you. Have a nice day.